Okay guys, so what we're going to do now is play in the chord sequence. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways. The first way in this video is clicking it in. So if you can't play chords with your hands because you're not competent on the piano, don't worry. We're just going to use the clicking in method. So to do that, we need to make a new software instrument track. So double click beneath the hit machine and go to mallet marimba. Let's just use that as the sound to begin with. Sounds like that. What we're going to do is click it in. So here we go. Let's physically click these notes in. And the chord sequence sounds like this.
You there? Are you out somewhere with your baby? Hello? You there? Real talk, you got me going crazy.
So that's what you got to put in now. So let's go to your toolbox. Let's get your pencil tool and let's click a region in. Go back to your pointer and let's stretch it out so it's 2 bars, because that chord sequence actually lasts 2 bars. You can either double click to bring the editor up there or use Command 4 and make it big. Now we had just been doing the trap hats, and the trap hats we had set our grid view to 64th, so that looks really crazy, too many divisions there. So if we just bring it back down to 16ths and then load our editor back up, our piano roll back up. So the chord we're going to click in, you need your pencil and you need to physically click these chords in. The first chord is A major, so click your note there. If it's too long, it will probably come in and it'll be about this big. It's easy, go back to your pointer tool and just trim it down so it lasts 1/16. Once you've done it once, it remembers from then onwards. So that's your A major chord. Okay. And then I think it goes here again, does it twice, like that. Then it goes, so once we've done that, that is on bar 29. And then if you're looking at what quarter note it is, so this is quarter note 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next one happens on quarter note 4. The next one is B major. That's B, D, F sharp. The first one is A, C sharp, E, B, D, F sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp. Get it right, Nathan. There we go. B, D sharp, F sharp. Cool. Next chord is C sharp minor, which is C sharp, E, and G sharp. Cool. And then it happens again. If you got the wrong note by mistake, just click and drag it and you can move it. So that part changes slightly. So I'll talk you through this in a second. There we go. So it goes A major, A, C sharp, E, and that's on beat 1. 16th note 4, so 4/16, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9/16, 10, 11, 12/16. If you want to do it that way, or it's on bar 29, just before bar 29 beat 2, bar 29 beat 3, just before bar 29 beat 4. Then that's the B major, so B, D sharp, F sharp. And then at bar 30, you're moving on to C sharp minor. So that's C sharp, E, G, and that happens on bar 30. And then just before bar 30, beat 2. And then again on bar 30, beat 3. And then we go back down to B major. So B, D sharp, F sharp, just before beat 4 of bar 30. And then we've got this weird pattern here, okay? So if you can copy this, you've now got your chord sequence. So that's just by clicking it in. And it wasn't sort of the most musical. Every single note are the same colour, which means it's the same velocity, the same volume. So there's no feel there, but it's a good starting point if you can't physically play it in yourself.